Looks like it is recorded. I'll stop recording. No, it is recorded. So I just share my screen. All right, it is recorded. And so if you go assignment, we'll do Excel project 6. Okay. And that is your assignment 4. So this assignment has 2 files. One is the instruction file. The other is the start file. So if you go down here, okay, what document is the instruction file? Let's open it. And then the start file is in Excel format. Give me one moment. I want to turn off the light for now. Okay, open the Excel file. Enable editing. All right, for those who just came in, go to bright space, assignment 4. Okay. So the background information. Donnie Cruz is a finance assistant for Over Lake Hospital in South Florida. His current project is to format departmental data for the year 2021, 2023 to make it easier to analyze. Open assignment, sorry, there's a typo, should be assignment 4 here, okay? Open assignment 4 start file and save it as assignment 4. Sorry for the typo. Should be assignment 4, not assignment 3. Okay? Assignment 4, underscore your first name, your last name. Okay? So basically, you open this Excel file and then click File, Save As. Please remember the location you saved your file. In my case, I saved in a document, content folder. So the file name, assignment 4, your first name, your last name. Okay. So assignment 4, underscore your first name, your last name. Okay. No side talk, please. Thank you. So save as assignment 4, underscore your first name, your last name. Click Save button. So we just open the start file and save the file. Questions? Okay, now switch to Cancer Center worksheet. Switch to Cancer Center worksheet. Oh, before you switch, please change my name to your name here in documentation sheet. Change my name to your name in documentation worksheet in cell B6. And then switch to Cancer Center worksheet here. This is a Cancer Center worksheet. All right, so make sure you are on this worksheet. Now, step 2, we finished step 1. Step 2, sort data in first in ascending order by admission field, and then in ascending order by service field. So click anywhere in the table. Click anywhere in the table. And then make sure Home tab is selected. Then locate Editing Group. Editing Group. You have a down pointing arrow. Click down pointing arrow beside the sort. Down pointing arrow beside the sort. And then click Custom Sort. Custom Sort. So you are here. And now step 2 said sort ascending order. So click down pointing arrow for here. Then select admission. Ascending order for admission. And make sure the order is A to Z. So first sort admission by ascending order, then sort ascending order by service. Ascending order by service. So to do that, you need to click Add Level. Add Level. Now you have then by click the down pointing arrow and select Service. Again, make sure it is A to Z. Now click OK button. Okay. As you can see, the data is sorted by admission and then by service. First by admission, then by service. Hi, so we finished step 2. Questions? Step 3, insert a total row in Cancer Center table, and then use the total row to calculate the total of the values for year 2021, 2022, 2023. Yes.
Before we move on, did you unfreeze the top row? It's in the number 1 instructions. Switch to the Cancer Center. And it says unfreeze the top row of the worksheet.
Oh, switch, unfreeze. Yeah, I missed this one. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So, sorry, I will go back to here. Thank you for your observation. I missed unfreeze the top row of the worksheet. So if you go back to the, so we're still in Cancer Center worksheet, okay? So how do you unfreeze? You go Home, go View, down pointing arrow for freeze pins. Unfreeze the top row. Top row, looks like we didn't freeze it, so we don't. So you can just select unfreeze pins. That's fine. Okay. Okay. Thank you again for pointing that out. Now we do step 3, insert total row. So to do that, click anywhere in the table. Click anywhere in the table. Now click table. You have to click anywhere in the table first. Then click table design. And now you have a total row in table style options, total row here. Click check mark. Okay, so we add the total row. And then use total row to calculate 2021. So click here, click D12. That is the total for 2021. And then you have down pointing arrow, click it. Total means sum. You click sum. Do the same thing for year 2022. Click cell E12. Then click down pointing arrow. Click sum. So you have all the totals for different years. All right, so we finished step 3. Questions? Step 4. The administrator overseeing the cancer center is considering mandating that all inpatient service names be different from outpatient service names, and wants to see which duplicate names are currently in use. Apply conditional formatting rule to rank C4, C11 that use light red field with dark red text for duplicate values. So first, select C4, C11. C4, C11. And then click Home, Menu. Down pointing arrow for conditional formatting. So apply conditional formatting for duplicate values. Click highlight cells rows and then duplicate values. Duplicate with light red field with dark red text. And then click OK button. You see the duplicate value has light red field with dark red text. Okay, we finished step 4. Questions? Okay. Question 5. Switch to cardiac care worksheet freeze the first column of worksheet. So first, quick cardiac care. And freeze the first column of worksheet. Click anywhere in the data. Click View. And then down pointing arrow for freeze pins. Select freeze first column. Freeze first column. Okay. See, the first column is freeze. You finish step 5. Step 6. Format range A3F10 as an external table, as an Excel table with headers. Use the gold table style media 5 table style, and also enter cardiac care as the name of the table. So basically, you are asked to format a range as a table. Format a range as a table. Okay. So first, click A3F10. Click A3F10. And then click Home. There's a button called Format as Table. Format as Table. Yeah, here. Did you see Format as Table? And also we are asked to use table style, format as table. Click the down pointing arrow. Looking for gold table style media 5. Gold table style media 5. This icon. Gold table style media 5. Click it. Okay. And then click my table has headers. Yes. Then click OK button. All right. So next we need to enter cardiac care as the name of the table. So click anywhere here, and then click, make sure table design is activated. Then you have a table name. So highlight table 5 and type in cardiac care. Okay, so next, step 7. Downey noticed that the cardiac care table is missing a record. Add the record based on this table. Add a record based on this table. All right. So click cell A11. Type in cardiac care. Then press Tab tab tab, go to next cell and type in inpatient. And then use tab, go to next cell, other. And then 2855. Tab, go to next cell, 3540. Tab, go to next cell, 3752. All right, so that is step 7 questions. Step 8, the maternity department has more admission criteria than other major divisions of the hospital. Now you want to summarize maternity admission data using subtotals to show the relationships between admission type and the number of patients. So switch to maternity worksheet and complete the following steps. So first, switch to maternity worksheet. So item A, sort table by admission in ascending order. By admission, click down pointing arrow beside admission. Then select A to Z, sort A to Z. So it is sorted by admission field. Step B, convert the table to a normal range. Click anywhere in the data, anywhere. Then click table design. Under the tools group, you have convert to range. So click it. Do you want to convert the table into a normal range? Click yes. And now this is the normal range. The purpose to change the table to normal range is we want to insert subtotal. Okay. For step C, insert subtotal into range A3F13 with the subtotal appear at each change in admission column value. The subtotal should use sum function and include subtotals for 2021, 2022, and 2023 fields. Okay, so click anywhere in this range, and then click data on the menu. After that, looking for outline down pointing arrow. Outline, click the down pointing arrow for outline, and then you have subtotal. You have subtotal, okay? Cannot determine which row in your list. Which are required, okay. So we should close it first. So this one So we have to select range first. Sorry. So select A3 F13 first. A3 F13 first. You have to select A3 F13 first. And then quick data, down pointing arrow for outline, subtotal. Subtotal. Okay. Hello, we are in step 8 of assignment 4. Okay. So black space assignment 4. Now we have this subtotal. And then at each change in, we should select admission. So click down pointing arrow, select admission. At each change in admission, use the function sum, that is correct. Use the function sum. And sum for what? For 2021, 2022, 2023. So make sure you make check mark. 2021, 2022, 2023. Okay. And then click OK button. Wow, you see this give you the subtotal at each change in admission. Did you see that? Subtotal at each change in admission value. Okay, we finished step 8. Yes. Select A3 for filling option. Select A3 for like go there, you're like, yeah, but it's right number. You have to. Absolutely. At least I think that this place, I went last summer at the one of my phone. And I feel like I'm supposed to like I've never, but I didn't want to do. All right, step 9, switch to psychiatric worksheet and remove duplicate records. So switch to psychiatric. Switch to psychiatric. Remove duplicate based on admission and service. So quick table design. Remove duplicate. Remove duplicate. Check out. Based on, we remove duplicate based on admission and service. So admission and service. Uncheck other items, just keep admission service checked. And then click OK button. One duplicate found and removed. Okay, click OK button. All right. So we finished step 9. Step 10. The data bars in last 3 columns make some number hard to read. change the data bar's conditional formatting for range D4 F12 to use solid fill green data bar format. Okay. So select range D4 F12 first. D4 F12. And then click Home on the menu bar. Down pointing arrow for conditional formatting. Click down pointing arrow. Click data bar, right arrow. On the solid fill, select green data bar. Here, this is the green data bar. This one here. Okay, that's it. Green data bar. We finish step 10. Step 11. Danny wants to calculate the total admissions for hospital each year. Switch to all department worksheets. And then item A, in cell C40, use the sum function. So first, let's go to all departments worksheet. Go to all departments. Now, quick cell D40. Quick cell D. Quick cell D40. 40. D40. Then type in equal sign, equal, SUM, opening bracket, and use your mouse select. D40. D4 to D38. After the selection, you see you get all departments 2021. That is the structured reference. Okay. Press Enter key. So we finished item A. Do the same thing for item B and item C. Okay. You can just use the fill handle. See, you can copy. You see, just use the fill handle, you can copy, or you repeat yourself, typing equal. Just use the fill handle, you complete step B and step C. Questions? Step 12. Danny wants to prepare the all departments total, all departments for 2024 data. Add a table column to the end of the table. Okay, make sure you see the top of the table. Quick cell G3, and then type in 2024. Press Enter key. So you add 2024 here. Okay. All right. So that concludes this assignment. It is about data manipulation, multiple worksheets. Okay. So you can submit to Brightspace assignment, and assignment 4. Again, sorry for the typo at the beginning. any reference to assignment 3 should be assignment 4 here. There's a typo here, see? This should be assignment 4, okay? All right, so I'm going to close, stop recording first.